Morning students. The next topic and last topic in the statistics of the class 11th mathematics, analysis of the frequency distributions, comparison of the two frequency distributions. When you see here, the coefficient of variation is defined by the standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100 will be taken into consider as a, it is called as a coefficient of variation, and these coefficient of variation will decide the which type of the distribution is having the more variation or less variation. See here, for comparing the variability of the dispersion of the two series, we calculate the coefficient of variance for each series. The series having the greater CV is said to be more variable than the other. So now let us see here some comparison of the standard deviations, CV of the first distribution, CV of the second distribution. So two distributions are given here, two distributions, and let us go for the solving the one problem here. Example problems let us see, then after let us go for the exercise problems. Two plants A and B of the factory, already it is given to you, number of the workers, average monthly wages, variance of distribution is given to you 81 and 100. So and the question is asking to you which is having the more variability. So now the in which plant A and B have the greater variability are in the individual wages. So here already the variance is given to you 81 in both the cases, and both the cases average monthly wages are same. So but number of workers are different, then the mean will be different. So for the first case, let us find out the A. In case of A, the variance distribution is 100, then the standard deviation is 10. Here 81, then the standard deviation is 9. So since the average monthly wages in both the plants are same to 2500 rupees 25, therefore the plants which is having here 2500 both are having average is given to you, number is not given, sorry. If average monthly wages are given to you already, that means average monthly wages is nothing but mean is given to you. If the mean is not given, you need to find out the mean, and that should be divided by with the standard deviation should be divided with the mean. So now let us go for the next one. CV of the first distribution, CV of the second distribution is given, and let x1 and x2 are the means of the both having. So and you can find out here very simply, and let us go for the exercise problems whatever it is given to you in the 15.3. Let us solve the problem of the exercise here. Okay. The first problem is given to you. From the data given below, state which group is more variable, A or B. So group A is given, group B is given. Group A free marks are same, and suppose section A, section B may if you are comparing the which group A, group B, section A, section B also you can consider, and you need to find out in both the cases mean and both the cases standard deviation. Okay, so how do you find out the mean and standard deviation? You already know that. So let us go for the A frequency distribution and A mid values and their yi value. Shortcut method is using here to find out the variance here. First to find out the mean, any mid value should be taken into consider, that is 45 is taken. You can take the any one, as 45 is taken its corresponding value is 0. In the same way the mean is found, mean is 44.6 and the variance you are getting 227, and then the standard deviation is 15.09. So okay, so now after the finding the standard deviation, in the same way standard deviation for the group B should be calculated. For the group B values, classes are same but the frequency is different. Here the frequency is 10, 20, 30, 40, 25, 45. That value should be taken here. Fi values, xi values are same. So the mean value in both the cases you will get the, you are getting here 44.6, here you got, here also 44.6. So standard deviation will decide in both the cases. So first case standard deviation is 15.09, second case standard deviation is 15.6. Since the mean of the both groups is same, the group which is having the more greater standard deviation will be more variable. Group B is having, suppose in case standard deviation you found and mean also you found, mean you didn't get the same value, then you need to divide the standard deviation with the mean and you should be multiplied by the 100, and that is called coefficient of variation. Okay, the second question is, from the pieces of the shares of x and y below, find out which is more stable in value. So x and y, x values and y values are given. So this is ungrouped data. For ungrouped data, mean, how do we find out? In the same way, sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. The sum of the observations you will get it as a 510, and 510 divided by 10 will give you 51. So you cannot here go for the shortcut method. Actually, shortcut method will make you confuse here because it is contained. So what to do to find out the variance? First, standard deviation you need to find out. Before finding the standard deviation, variance is needed. Variance, if you find out, square root you need to apply. So xi minus x bar unit. X bar is means mean is 51. From every observation 51 should be subtracted. What we are doing? We are doing the calculation only for the x, shares of the x. So then after xi minus xi square you need to find out, and xi minus xi square divided by number, that is 35 you will get. The standard deviation is 5.91. So coefficient of variation for the first shares x is 11.58 you will get by applying the formula. In the same way, for the y, if you are finding y coefficient of variation, you will get 11.58. So comparison, you need to compare here. Third question is find analysis of the monthly wages to the same model problem. Here example problem in the same way it is given to you. In the same way here, mean already given, variance is given. So since mean and variance already given, mean is same, the variance which is having the more, that is having the more reliable, which firm A and B pays larger amount as monthly wages. So monthly wages are 523. Here the first question is larger amount as a monthly wages. So monthly wages, if you see the firm A 5,253 and number of wage worker earners 586. So that's why both should be multiplied. When you multiply both, the total how much you will total wages, how much the firm A is paying, you are going to get. So next, in the same way, firm B, whenever you multiply, you will get obviously more. So that means number of wage earners where you are having more, they are going to pay the more. So B is going to pay the more. So as the mean is same, the variance is B is having more. That's why you can say directly B is more variable. In the same way, the fourth question is, if you see that the following is the record of the goals scored by the team A in the football session. Number of goals scored, 0 score goal, 1 goal, 2 goal, 3 goal, 4, and number of matches. This is actually discrete data, just like ungrouped data only, but discrete data here. So these values already xi values are they have given to us. This is considered as a frequency. You consider this as a frequency and this is xi. Okay. So fi xi should be taken into consider. From that mean value you will get. Okay. And shortcut method is not applying here. It is not a shortcut method because it is discrete values xi square and fi xi square. So direct method of finding the mean, direct method of finding the variance to find out the direct method. Here the formula is 1 by n into n. That formula is applied and find the variance. Next, fifth question, sum of the squares of the corresponding lengths to the x. Already sigma xi is given, sigma xi square is given, sigma yi is given, sigma yi square is given. Sigma is nothing but here sum. Okay, already you know that. So sigma xi is 212, sigma xi square is 902.8, and n is given to you 50. So then the mean is 4.24. Mean you need to find out, and the standard deviation, this formula you need to apply here. Okay, standard deviation you can apply that formula or this. If you are taking here it is variance to find out, because you cannot apply this formula here because fi xi square is not given here. The frequencies are not given, fi xi square is not given. So that's why 1 by n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square if you are applying, and on that simplification only these values you are going to get. From that you will get the variance value here 0.07. Okay, and the standard deviation is under root value. Then the coefficient of variation is 6.13. In the same way, yi value should be taken into consider, and that values on expanding this one I will explain to you if you get confused. yi minus 5.2, a minus b whole square expansion, and 1 by 50 sigma yi square is given, sigma yi is given. So all the values are given, that is you need to replace and simplify it. Okay, next standard deviation. So CV's comparison will get it, will get the means thus the CV of the weights is greater than the CV of the lengths. So therefore weights more vary than the lengths. Okay, with this we are completed the 15.3. Thank you, student.